Good morning, roadies. I'm hoping that you are having a great New Year so far and that you have great plans for the 2020. We would like to share for the next few weeks on our Travel Tuesday videos our wonderful experience that we were able to have in November. The reason why we did not have very many posts in November was that we had the opportunity to go on our very first cruise. And it was such a wonderful experience. But there was no internet connection to really do anything about. And so I just had to gather up all the pictures and video that we took. And now I'm in the process of editing them all. And I will be sharing them with you here. Some people complain about RV channels sharing different vacation photos and stuff that have nothing to do with RV travel. However, our channel is geared toward sharing our family experiences wherever they may be, whether it's RV travel or first-time cruises. And so if you don't want to watch the Tuesday videos, that's perfectly fine, but this is for our purpose of keeping them archived for our families and for our own journaling. So just wanted to let you know what we will be doing. We were able to go to the Panama Canal and the surrounding areas down there and enjoy some beautiful sights and just to enjoy time with not only us three, but Wally's sister Janelle went with us, and Wally's father went with us as well. And so I'm sure you'll see some pictures of them with us as well. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience. I myself am hooked. I love cruising. I think it's absolutely fantastically fun. And so our next big adventure might be going up to Alaska. So we'll just have to wait and see how that turns out. Anyway, just wanted to share that little bit with you and hope you enjoy sharing our experience with us, and you be safe out there in your own travels, and we'll see you on the road.